Hello, I am Paisley and I will be your Newmar ambassador introducing you to the 2026 Grand Star 4040, featured here at South Haven RV and Marine. Located in South Haven, Mississippi, just about 15 minutes from the Memphis airport. Just fly in and drive home in this beauty. The 2026 Grand Star 4040 is luxury redefined. How can you argue that with the luxury when it just jumps right out at you? Right away, you'll notice the full-body paint, bold exterior styling, and incredible storage capacity. This coach is built on a heavy-duty diesel platform designed for strength, performance, and long-haul reliability. If you've been looking for a Super C diesel that delivers serious power with true luxury living, this coach absolutely deserves your attention. Did you know that Newmar was the original inventor of the slide-out on a motorhome? Truly one of the only ones left that actually have a full wall slide still in production. Why? Because most frames aren't designed for the weight and stress that they take. Just a tidbit of knowledge for you. As we step inside, this is where Newmar really shines. You'll see solid hardwood cabinetry, tile flooring, high-end finishes, and a spacious layout that truly feels residential. Up front, you get a commanding cockpit with premium seating, excellent visibility, and a confident driving position that makes traveling easy and enjoyable. As we continue to look through comfort of the driver and passenger cockpit, pay attention to the amount of the detail that is given even in this area. Obviously, when traveling, this is the one area that shouldn't be rushed to make you feel that you are truly in control. The kitchen is fully equipped with solid surface countertops, premium appliances, and plenty of storage. Perfect whether you're making a quick meal or entertaining guests at the campground. One of the highlights of the 4040 floor plan is the mid-coach bunk area. No matter if you are using the bunks for sleeping or making this space available for extra storage. Do we ever have too much of that? This space is giving you flexibility with so many different options, even if you use the lower bunks for pets. And in the rear, you'll find a private master bedroom suite that feels like home, complete with great wardrobe space and a relaxing atmosphere for extended stays. The bathroom offers generous room, quality fixtures, and the comfort you expect in a luxury motorhome. From the master bedroom to the luxury master bathroom, no stone goes unturned in providing you with that pampered feeling that says, yes, you deserve it. Take time to enjoy. Built on the Freightliner S2 RV chassis with a Cummins diesel engine, it offers 360 horsepower and a 12,000-pound towing capacity. Hopefully, you enjoyed your walk around on this incredible unit. Come see us at South Haven RV and Marine. Visit our website at www.southavenrv.com. Have a blessed day.